Hello student, in this video we will go through with exercise 3.4. Before that I am explaining the prime numbers, composite number and co-primes. Prime numbers, numbers having two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. It means such kind of number that have only two factors, that is only 1 and itself, they are called the prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and up to so on, because they all are that kind of number who has only one factor, that is 1, and another is only they are, nothing is there, so they will call the prime numbers. Now composite numbers, numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. It means ऐसे numbers जिसके पास more than two factors होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, composite number. So their example is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 etc. up to so on. How? Because 4 is coming in the table of 1, in the table of 2 and in the table of 4. Same as 6 is also coming in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. So they have the factors more than 2. That's why they called as composite number. One note is there, number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. If in the question 1 is a prime number, so its answer is false, because 1 ना तो prime होगा ना ही 1 क्या होगा, composite number होगा. Now the next definition is co-prime. Numbers which have only 1 as their common factor. Co-primes means, like if I am taking here 4 and 5, 4 and 5, so factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4, and factors of 5 is 1 and 5. So how which thing is common between both the things, 4 and 5? Only 1 is the common, so 4 and 5 are called co-prime. ऐसे नंबर जिनके फैक्टर्स में सिर्फ 1 ही कॉमन हो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, co-primes. So now we are going to start our exercise 3.4. First question is, find the common factors of A is 20 and 28. In the question they ask us common factors. Common factors, common means ऐसी चीज़, ऐसे factors जो 20 के भी हैं और ऐसे factors जो 28 के भी हैं, that we have to find. For that, firstly we have to find the factors of 20. Okay, factors of 20 हो ना. So firstly 20 will coming in the table of 1, how many times, 20 times. Then 20 is coming in the table of 2, how many times, 10 times. Then 20 is coming in the table of 4, how many times, 5 times. After that in 1, 2, 4 and it will coming in the table of 5. Okay, then after that it will coming in the table of 10. After that it will coming in the table of 20. So instead of writing next 3 steps, can we find next 3 step in starting 3 step? देखो 1 के टेबल में 20 आता है 20 टाइम्स में, तो क्या 20 की टेबल में भी 1 टाइम्स में मिल जाएगा हमें? 21 is 20 होता है? Yes, it means 1 and 20 both are the factors of 20. Same as in the next case, 2 tens are 20, तो क्या 10 twos भी 20 होता है? Yes, it is also. So ये दोनों भी किसके फैक्टर्स है? 20 के. Then 4 5s are 20, so 5 4s भी 20 होता है? Yes, it means हम 1 का टेबल जितने टाइम्स पढ़ेंगे वो दोनों ही नंबर हमारे पास जो गिवन नंबर है उसके क्या होंगे, फैक्टर्स. क्या होंगे? फैक्टर्स. अच्छा, अब हमको जाके स्टॉप कहाँ करना है? देखो 1 के बाद आया फैक्टर 2, 2 के बाद आया फैक्टर 4, 4 के बाद वाला फैक्टर क्या आ रहा था हमारा, 5, 4 के बाद वाला फैक्टर हमारा क्या आ रहा था, 5. बट हमको 5 यहीं मिल गया 4 की वाली लाइन में, तो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, हम एक बार 1 to 4 जाएंगे, देन 5 to 20 जाएंगे. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20 क्या क्या मिले हमें? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. They are the factors of 20. Now the next number is 28. So 21 firstly coming in the table of 1, how many times? 28 times. So 128 is 28. After that 28 is coming in the table of 2, how many times? 14 times. So it will 2 14s are 28. After that it will coming in the table of 4, how many times? 7 times. Okay, 4 7s are 28. After the 4 in the table of 5, 5 4s are 20, then 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. It means 28 नहीं मिला 5 की टेबल में. 6 की टेबल में भी चेक कर लेते हैं. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30. 28 नहीं मिला. It means 7 4s are 28 होता है. It means 4 के बाद वाला टेबल हमारे पास कौन सा आना चाहिए था? 7, बिकॉज 7 4s are क्या होता है? 28. बट हमें 7 दिख रहा है क्या? जैसे 7 4s are 28 होता है, तो ये वाली स्टेप हमारी कहीं ना कहीं आ रही है, भले से उल्टी आ रही है. यहाँ पर 4 7s are 28 होता है, तो 7 4s are 28 भी होता है. सेम एज आफ्टर दिस, after that we have next factor of the 28 is 14. How? 14 2s are 28. After that 28 1 is 28. So how many factors of the 28? 6 factors, like 1 2 4 7 14 and 28 are the factors of 28. So here I am writing factors of 28. 1 2 4 7 14 and 28. Okay, so this is the factors of 20 and these are the factors of 28. But question asks us, give the common factors of 20 and 28. Now we have to find the common factors. So सबसे पहले दोनों के पास कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं? 1. तो सबसे पहला कॉमन फैक्टर क्या हो गया? 1. उसके पास दोनों के पास क्या है? 2. सो नेक्स्ट कॉमन फैक्टर क्या हो गया? 2. आफ्टर दैट द बोथ 20 and 28 वन मोर फैक्टर दैट इज 4. सो 4 इज ऑल्सो कॉमन फैक्टर. 5 है क्या दोनों के पास? नहीं है. 10 है? नहीं है. 20? नो. 7 दो में से? नहीं. 14? नो. 28? नो. Only 3 common factor, that is 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4 are the common factors of 20 and 28. Same thing I already done in my notebook that I explained just before it. So which the common factor we find out? We find out 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2 and 4 is the common factors of 20 and 28. 1, 2 and 4. This is our answer. B is 15 and 25. Same question is there. We have to find the common factors of 15 and 25. So firstly we will find the factors of 15, then factors of 25. So factors of 15, we have 1 15 is 15. Okay, 1 की टेबल में 15 times 15 मिलेगा. After that 3 5s are 15. After the 3 we have the table of 5 that we already seen, because 5 3s are 15. तो एक बार आगे से पीछे जाएंगे, एक बार पीछे से आगे जाएंगे तो हमको मिल जाएगा 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. बट कैसे जाएंगे आगे से पीछे? क्योंकि 3 से बाद वाला टेबल हमको क्या मिल रहा था? 5 मिल रहा था. तभी उस कंडीशन में से हम पीछे से आगे जाना स्टार्ट करेंगे. देन 15 1 इज 15. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15 क्या क्या मिले? 1 3 5 एंड 15. जस्ट यू कैन सी 1 3 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Now फैक्टर्स ऑफ 25। सबसे पहले 1 की टेबल में 25 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 25 टाइम्स में। देन 5 5s आर 25। इसके अलावा किसी और टेबल में 25 नहीं आता है। सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 25 क्या क्या मिलेंगे? 1 5 एंड 25। 1 5 एंड 25। सो हियर इज द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 25, 1 5 एंड 25। सो कॉमन फैक्टर्स, दोनों के पास कौन कौन सी चीज़ सबसे पहले दिख रही है? 1। सो 1 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर। 3 है क्या? नो। 5 है क्या? यस। 5 इज ऑल्सो अ कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 15 एंड 25। इसके अलावा 15 भी नहीं है और 25 भी नहीं है। सो विच आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स? 1 एंड 5 are the common factors of 15 and 25. Next, C is 35 and 50. So, firstly we will find the factors of 35, after that factors of 50. So, firstly in the table of 1, 35 is coming 35 times. 135 is 35. Then after this directly we have 35 in the table of 5. 5 7s are 35. After the table of 5 we have 35 in the table of 7. In the table of 7, but we can easily see 7 near to 5. So 7 5s are 35. 35 1 is 35. So factors of 35 is 1, 5, 7 and 35. So after this, factors of 50, 150s is 50, 225 times 50, then 5 tens are 50. After that we don't have 6 in the table of 650, in the table of 750, in the table of 850, we don't have. We directly have 50 in the table of 10. But 10 we can easily see in the case of 5 tens are. So 10 5s are 50, 25 2s are 50 and 51 is 50. So the factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Now we have to write the common factors. So 1 तो सबसे पहले होगा ही होगा, दोनों के पास है. After that 5 है क्या दोनों के पास? Yes, 5 is also a common factors. 7 है? No. 35 है? No. So only two common factor, that is 1 and 5. Okay. Now the D part. In D part we have 56 and 120. 56 and 120. So factors of 56. 56 किस किस की टेबल में मिलेगा? Okay. So 156 is 56. 228 is 56. 4 14s are 56. 7 8s are 56. After the table of 7 we have the table of 8, but we can find 8 easily. 8 7s are 56. अब मतलब ऊपर चलना है, ठीक है. एक बार नीचे से ऊपर से नीचे, फिर नीचे से ऊपर. Now 14 4s are 56. 28 2s are 56. 56 1 is 56. So factors of 56 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay. 8, 14, 28 and 56. After this factors of 120. तो सबसे पहले 1 की टेबल में 120 मिलेगा कितने टाइम्स में? 120 टाइम्स में. Then 260s are 120. Then beta, if you are getting the confused, just ignore the 0. Ignore the 0. When you ignore the 0 you have only 12. तो हमको ये देखना है 12 किस किस की टेबल में आता है, ठीक है. ये देख के चलेंगे. तो 12 2 की टेबल में भी आता है. कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 6 टाइम्स में. बट 0 था तो उसके पीछे क्या लगा दिया? 0. सेम एज इट इज़ इन द टेबल ऑफ 3. 3 4s are 12, बट हमारे पास 0 था तो 4 के पीछे क्या लगा दिया? 0. देन 4 3s are 12, 0 पीछे लगा दिया तो इट विल बिकम 120. देन 5 24 टाइम्स इज 120. Then 6 into 20 will also give us 120. Then 18 15s are 120. 10 12s are 120. After the table of 10, we don't have 120 in the table of 11. 11 के टेबल में 120 नहीं आता है. डायरेक्टली अब किसके टेबल में आएगा? 12 के टेबल में. सो 12 10s are 120, 15 8s are 120, 26 are 120, then 24 5s are 120, 34s are 120, 43s are 120, 62s are 120, and 121 is 120. So here the common factors of 56 and 120. So we will start the finding the common factors. तो कौन सा फैक्टर सबसे पहले दोनों के पास होगा? 1. Now 2, 4 है क्या? Yes, 4 is also a common factor. 7 is there? No. 8? Yes, 8 is also a common factor. 14 है क्या? No. 28? No. 56 है? No. So how many common factors is there? 4 common factors, that are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors of 56 and 120. Question number 2. Question number 2 is find the common factors. Find the common factors of 4, 8, 12. Now they given us 3 numbers together. Okay. So here I am not writing in the expanded form. Just we can directly write because 4, 8 and 12 is directly showing in which table they are coming. So factors of 4. 4 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? सबसे पहले तो 1 की टेबल में आएगा. Then किसकी टेबल में आएगा? 2, then 4. Because 2 2s are 4 and 4 1 is 4. डायरेक्टली आपको समझ में आ जाएगा if you understand the previous topic properly. Then factors of 8. अब 8 किस किस की टेबल में आएगा? 1, 2, 4 and 8. After that factors of 12. अब 12 किस किस की टेबल में आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Now we have to find out. We have to choose the common factor. So सबके पास कौन सा common factor दिख रहा है? सबसे पहला तो 1. After that 2. After that 4. 4 सबके पास है. You can easily find. So common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now the B number 5, 15 and 25. So factors of 5. 5 किस किस की टेबल में मिलेगा? 1 and 5. अच्छा, जिसके पास 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइम नंबर्स. सो 5 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15 इज 1, 3, 5 and 15. Then factors of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. So common factor, which are the common factors? सबसे पहला common factor तो क्या होगा? 1. Then after that the next common factor is क्या दिख रहा है? 5. The next common factor is 5. So common factors of 5, 15 and 25 is 1 and 5. This is the solution. Question number 3. Find first 3 common multiples. Multiples किस में देखने के मिलते हैं? टेबल में. जैसे 2 1 is, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 3 2 5s are. That are the multiples of. Okay. Find first 3 common multiples of. And the question is 6 and 8. So we will write the table of 6 and write the table of 8. Okay. So multiples of 6. It means 6 में हम 1 से स्टार्टिंग करके मल्टीप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Before this class I have also already explained how to find multiples. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. अब हमने टेबल 10 टाइम्स तक लर्न किया, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि वी हैव ओनली टेबल अप टू 10 टाइम्स. इट विल गो अप टू सो ऑन. So 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72, 6 13s are 78. Like that form we are going up to so on. Now multiples of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. We can also go up to so on. But why did I not going in up to more? Just see, because the question said find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. For that, अगर हमको पहले ही मिल जाएंगे तो हम आगे क्यों जाएंगे? नहीं जाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स 6 है क्या दोनों के पास? नहीं. 12 है क्या? नो. 18? नो. 24 है? यस. द फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 and 8 इज 24. आफ्टर दैट 30 है? नो. 36? नो. 42? नो. 48 मिला? यस. 48 is the next common multiples. 54 है? No. 60 है? No. 66 है? No. 72 है? Yes. So 72 is the third common multiples of 6 and 8. So 3 common multiples निकालने के लिए बोले थे question set for find the 3 common multiples, and 3 common multiples we have. First is 24, next is 48 and one more is there 72. We can find more multiples, but question asks only 3 multiples. Now after this, the B number question. B number question is for 12 and 18. So same as we have to start writing the tables of 12 and 18. Okay, 12 1 is 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120 and 12 11s are 132. The multiples of 18 is 18 1 is 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108, 18 7s are 126, 18 8s are 144, 18 9s are 162, 18 10s are 180. So common factors. 12 है क्या दोनों के पास? No. 24? No. 36. 36 दोनों के पास है, so 36 is the first common multiples between 12 and 18. Then 42? No. 60? No. 72? Yes. 72 is the next one. 84? No. 96? No. 108? Yes. 108 is also. So the common first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18 is 36, 72 and 108. Okay. Question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100. Write all the numbers less than 100. It means we have to write such kind of number that are less than 100, which are common multiples of 3 and 4. वो कैसे होने चाहिए? 3 और 4 के कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होने चाहिए. फॉर दैट फर्स्टली वी विल राइट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 एंड आफ्टर दैट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4. So multiples of 3, we are going 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30 and 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. इससे आगे नहीं जाएंगे बिकॉज इन द क्वेश्चन दे सेड वी हैव टू फाइंड लेस देन 100. अगर आगे चले जाएंगे तो 100 से क्या आ जाएगा? बड़ा. सेम एज इन द केस ऑफ मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. then 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. अगर इससे आगे जाएंगे तो नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आने वाला था 100, बट उन्होंने 100 से छोटा ही मांगा है तो 100 को भी हम नहीं लेंगे. नाउ after writing the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4 that both are less than 100, from that we have to find the common multiples of 3 and 4. So we will start checking. 3 है क्या दोनों के पास? नहीं, एक के पास है. 6 no, 9 no, 12 yes, 12 is the first common multiples between 3 and 4. Then 15 no, 18 no, 21 no, 24 yes. Then 27 no, 30 no, 33 no, 36 yes. Then 39 no, 42 no, 45 no, 48 yes, 48 is the next. Then 51 no, 54 no, 57 no, 60 yes. Then 63 no, 66 no, 69 no, 72 yes. Then 75 no, 78 no, 81 no, 84 yes, 84 is the also common multiples. Then 87 no, 90 no, 93 no, 96 yes. So here our 4 multiples are completed, that's why we are stopping it. So common multiples of 3 and 4 are, first is 12, then 24, then 36, then 48, then 60, then 72, then 84 and last is 96. Why? Because they all are less than 100. Okay. As you can see, our all multiples are the multiple of 12. We have the table of 12. Why? Because when you multiply 3 and 4, 3 4s क्या होता है 12. तो हमारे पास जो भी आंसर आएगा वो किसके मल्टीपल्स में आएगा 12 के मल्टीपल्स में आया था तो आएगा. सो वन मोर टाइम यू कैन इजीली चेक. 12 1 is 12 yes, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84 and 12 8s are 96. इसके ऊपर जाएंगे तो वो 100 से क्या मिल जाएंगे ज़्यादा. So here we are stopping this video. In the next video we will go next in the next question.